Striplox 180 degree. Perfect for joining any 180 degree objects. Ideal for signage, for countertops, bench tops, or in exhibition trade events. It comprises of 3 components. We have the 2 components that get fixed to the substrates. The 3rd component is the locking system, the very unique locking system that locks it in all 3 different planes. All we have done is we have flush mounted onto the edge of the substrate. Same with this one here. They join together and fit into their positions. We simply then grab the locking key, put it onto top, and simply turn. That will lock up the substrate nice and tight.
Done.